It's a very good data set, right? It's given that there are 4 employees, okay, and they were absent for a certain number of days, and summation of them, the number of days taken two at a time, is given in this column, right? So if I assume that the number of days on which they were absent is A, B, C, D, such that A is more than B, more than C, more than D, I'll have 6 possible summation here. I can have A plus B, A plus C, B plus C, A plus D, B plus D, and C plus D. Right. Now see, 51 could be any of these values, but 51 is the largest number of the sums because this is the summation of number taken two at a time, right? And the column gives you the numbers in decreasing order, right? So A plus B has to be the maximum of these values. That means A plus B has to be 51 only, right? This 49 has to be A plus C because B plus C has to be less than A plus C, right? So A plus C has to be 49 again. Similarly, the minimum to summation, that is minimum summation, which is C plus D, has to be the minimum value, which is 40. Okay. Now, if you see that if you add A plus B with C plus D and subtract A plus C from here, you will get A plus B plus C plus D minus A plus C, which is B plus D only. So B plus D will come out to be 51 plus 40 minus 49 is nothing but 42. So the column number 5 has to be 42 because B plus D is the second highest number which can be obtained, and I am not sure about B plus C and A plus D here, right? So I have still left with 2 cases in this one. Now if you see the first set, if you see the A plus B is 51, and because A is more than B, I can be sure that A has to be more than equal to 26 and B has to be less than equal to 25. From A plus C is 49, I can be sure that A has to be more than equal to 25, C has to be less than equal to 24. From C plus D is 40, we can be sure that C has to be more than equal to 21 and D has to be less than equal to 19. Now see this, C has to be more than equal to 21 and less than equal to 24. So I'll have only 4 possibilities for C, 21, 22, 23, 24, right? Now let's see. We have 4 cases for A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. C can be 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now C plus D is 40, so values of D will come out to be 19, 18, 17 and 16. Similarly, values of A and B can be calculated. B will be 23, 24, 25, 26 and A will be 28, 27, 26 and 25. Now, fourth case will be ruled out because A has to be more than B, right? So we are left with only 3 cases here. Clear? Now what is the first question asking? Column figure number 5 should be, I have already calculated this, it is 42. So the correct option is B. Second says if one of the eligible column figure reads 45, which is the following is true. So third or fourth column could be either B plus C or A plus D. So if you see the 3 cases, the only possibilities where the summation is 45 is 27 plus 18, which is A plus D. So if A plus D is 45, B plus C will come out to be 24 plus 22, which is 46. Hence my correct option is option A. One of the other eligible column figure reads 46. The other 3 are definitely not true for that case, right? Third says Exa was the second employee if the 4 employees were arranged in ascending order of the days on which they were present. I already assumed that A is more than B, more than C, more than D. And because I have arranged them in increasing order, so Exa has to be present for C number of days. And I need to maximize C. So the maximum possible value of C is in the third case, which is 23. And the correct option here is option C. Next question says, when the consultant called up HR manager and told him about the missing numbers, all the HR manager could remember that the column figure number 3 should be the addition of minimum and the maximum number of days present. That means A plus D, right? Because I have assumed that A is the maximum and D is the minimum. So column 3 has to be A plus D and column 4 has to be B plus C in that case, right? With the condition that A plus D has to be more than B plus C, right? Because they are arranged in descending order. Now, if you see the three cases, in the first case A plus D will come out to be 28 plus 19, 28 plus 19. In the second case it will be 27 plus 18. Third case will be 26 plus 6, 17. Sorry, it is 27 plus 18. Third case will be 26 plus 17. And B plus C will be 23 plus 21 in the first case, 24 plus 22 in the second case, and 25 plus 23 in the third case. So you can see that A plus D is more than B plus C is only possible in this case. In the other two cases, B plus C is more than A plus D. That means I have to take the first case only, and is asking for the column figure number 3, that is A plus D, which is nothing but 28 plus 19, that is 47. The correct option is option D.